I'm the youngest in charge, I'm the youngest in charge. Making music is easy, why y'all act like it's hard? When I was in middle school, got a few phone calls. I never had the girls, I had a couple of flaws. But now people looking at me like his hair got long. I heard you make music, put me on the song. Y'all wasn't saying all this until I got noticed. I'm blowing up this year, you can say that I'm bloated. I keep my flow like Matt, yeah, I'ma keep floating. Used to be a class clown, man, I'm tired of joking. I ain't got a freestyle because I write what is spoken. I got 5 fingers, main one is provoking. No disrespect, I'm just speaking the truth. Smoking weed and getting locked up, that life is for you. Yeah, I got what it takes, I'ma do what I do. But I know one thing, misfit never lose. Yup, tell them what you see. No, they'll never be like me. Wanna ride with us, got them thinking that it's free. You ain't chillin' with us, brother, find your own team, Find your own team, Find your own team, yeah. Find your own team, find your own team, yeah. Find your own team.
Prophet of the youngest, my lyrics be the Bible. My bar is so violent, you don't wanna be my rival. Girls from Jamaica, diamonds imported. All these niggas swagger jacking, but my socks they can't afford it. I got a lot of women and they flavors all assured. Man, I'm running through their minds like a Lil Wayne chorus. I'm the life of the party while you chillin' being boring. You can ask me for a feature, gotta ask me while I'm touring. I want first place, man, I'm in it just to win it. I don't care if you are hating, you can hate me till I finish. And I do this till I die, but my life too far from empty and we steady getting played. So all you do is envy, man, I'm killing these beats. I eat them like zucchini and my flow so sick. Got my style on leukemia and your girl, she wanna see me. She can see me on the TV, say she chasing dreams, so I'm guessing what she dreaming, whoa.
Tell them what you see. No, they'll never be like me. Wanna ride with us, got them thinking that it's free. You ain't chillin' with us, brother, find your own team, Find your own team, Find your own team, yeah. Find your own team.